Hello everyone and welcome to the Magnum channel offline. Today we're going to be doing a little welding in the field. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we got going on now. So here's the cowboy, which you've all seen before. If you haven't, then what's wrong with you? And he is on a plant hanger. So just like you all have seen on the Hickok 45 channel or wherever, he's on this plant hanger, and you can see I've got him kind of rigged up there. I've got railroad spikes going every which way and screws in there, and I'm trying to keep him from turning. And the moral of the story is when you hit him with a 12 gauge or a really high powered handgun or something, he tends to swivel and just turn. And so we're going to try to prevent that today. We're going to weld on some little ears. So what we've got here today is I've got this little flat steel, and we're going to put some little flat steel and we're going to weld it right onto this plant hanger to keep this thing from turning. And for the cutting portion today, I'm actually going to be using this portable bandsaw. This one is made by Skill. So this was actually donated to me by an uncle, so I appreciate that. This is going to come in handy on a lot of different projects. So we'll see how it does. Alright, so what I've got here is some scrap steel, and this piece is just a little bit too short for what we want to do with it. So I've got some more of the same right here, and we're just going to set it on there. And put it just a little bit, about a ½ an inch longer, and then we'll have the pieces that we want for either side to stabilize that steel target. I'll be using today, which is the TMCO Power DC 160. Okay, now the first thing you're going to need when you start out mobile welding is you're going to need a power source. So a lot of people will run a generator. In this case, I don't happen to have an inverter generator, so what I have is like a 100 foot long 10 gauge cord that's been sitting around the farm here for years. So we've used this for a lot of different things, but today I'm using it to get me out to the berm here where I can plug in and hopefully weld this thing up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to establish our ground in order to weld this up. So I've got a grinder here with a 120 grit flap disc, and I'm just going to take, and I'm going to come back in here, I'm going to grind a little bit off each side of this so I can put a ground clamp on there. Okay guys, and for this project I am going to be using the classic farmer rod. This is 6011. This is Lincoln Fleetweld 332nd 6011. I found that this runs very well in this little TMCO Power DC 160. In fact, it runs much better than the Vulcan 6011 and also the Hobart 6011. So this is Lincoln Fleetweld 332nd 6011. We got our 6011 ready to go. We got the welder plugged in. I'm running on DCEP about 66 amps right now. We got our little steel ears. Let's see if we can make it happen. One ear down. And just to keep the wooden berm from going up in smoke, cool it down a little bit. Okay, everybody, well, she's not going to win any beauty awards, but she's definitely solid now. So let's see if the Cowboy hangs a little bit straighter on there. Okay, everybody, well, Operation Stabilize the Cowboy has been a success. He can still turn side to side a little bit, but his hook ain't going to be swinging off to the sides anymore. So overall, I'd say I'm pretty happy with the turnout. But anyway, guys, that is about it for today. Don't forget to check out my playlist, the Magnum Channel Offline playlist, as well as the link to my Facebook page in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Today we're going to be doing a little blah. It runs much better than, what incarnation is it?